Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking more about dream projects. Actually, I want to show you something. I store most of my ideas at night with this little notebook. I store them mostly in this notebook along with on my notes on my phone. And they're completely, well, that's not filled, but a lot of this is filled. And this is where I just put most of my ideas. So, without further ado, let's start the video. Boom. I don't know if this is just me, but usually right before I go to sleep, that's when I'm most productive and that's where most of my ideas originate. I don't think it matters exactly how you develop your ideas, but most times these ideas tend to be kind of ordinary or they're linked to something that you've watched, while some of these ideas tend to be kind of original and unique. Something that you develop into something I like to call a dream project. To me, a dream project is something that sums up all of your passions for a film, and it tends to be kind of an original story, which is kind of scary to work on because you don't really want to ruin it because you only have really one shot. It's kind of sad, but most of these dream projects tend to be just left for a future date where they end up being neglected because these resources that they expect to have usually either don't ever become available, or they do become available but the idea and the same motivation that you originally had is lost. Let's just give a moment of silence to all those abandoned and neglected dream projects out there. I actually decided to make this video when my brother gave me an idea a while back that I've kind of progressed until it's kind of become a passion or dream project for me. I'm really excited about it. Instead of neglecting it like all these thousands of other short film ideas in this little booklet right there, I've decided to just roll with it and actually write it. So I've written quite a bit. Hopefully I can finish off a first draft soon, and then I can start filming, but I'm not going to focus on filming just yet. I'm just going to focus on script, just so much on script, and then I can start filming, hopefully. And it's going to be so scary because I do not want to fail this. So it's like I'm excited, but then I'm also terrified. So that's the dilemma. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. If you have enjoyed this, it would mean so much to me if you could subscribe, because then I would feel more inclined to make more videos. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.